Namaskar, welcome to Habis TV. You are watching National News. I am Shashi Rai. Sri Lankan President Aruna Kumara Dissanayake speaking at a joint press conference with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday said that Sri Lanka will not allow its land to be used in any way that could harm India's security or the peace of the region. He also said he asked PM Modi to help arrange early talks between the two countries' technical teams about Sri Lanka's request to the United Nations. The request is about setting new boundaries in the sea areas beyond its current economic zone. With China hitting back at US tariffs by adding a 34% duty on all US goods, Indian trade officials held a high-level meeting to review the risk of rising Chinese imports. They fear China may flood other markets like India with exports due to its oversupply and the new US trade barriers starting April 9. Key international agencies, the World Trade Organizations and the International Monetary Fund warned on Friday about higher than expected US tariffs. They said these tariffs could disrupt global trade and even start a long trade war between major players like China and the European Union. Ultimately, this could reduce the overall volume of goods trade worldwide. Repeat. The Reserve Bank of India recently said it will soon release new 100 rupees and 200 rupees currency notes. Now the RBI has also announced that it will issue new 10 rupees and 500 rupees notes in the Mahatma Gandhi new series. The only change is that these new notes will have the signature of the new RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra. The RBI said that the design of the notes will remain the same as the current ones in the Mahatma Gandhi new series. Shares of LIC-owned Pesalo Digital may get attention next week as the company said its board will meet to talk about raising money. They might do this by selling new shares or other types of approved financial tools. The company has told the stock exchanges that the meeting will take place on Tuesday, April 8, 2025. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Habis TV. Namaskar.